Did you know about these hidden secrets of Paris? Starting at number 10, we unveil the hidden apartment at the top of the Eiffel Tower. Gustave Eiffel, the tower's architect, had a little secret, a private apartment nestled high above the city. This quaint space was not for rent, it was Eiffel's personal sanctuary. Interestingly, there were original plans to demolish this iconic structure after 20 years. But the tower's utility as a radio transmission station saved it. Imagine the views from that lofty perch. Moving on to number 9, ever heard of the underground labyrinth beneath Paris? It's the Catacombs, a subterranean network of tunnels and rooms, home to the remains of 6 million people. Initially a solution to overcrowded cemeteries in the late 18th century, it's now a hauntingly beautiful monument to the city's history. Walking its dimly lit corridors, you're literally surrounded by the past, with walls made of carefully arranged skulls and bones. It's a chilling reminder of Paris's past. At number 8, we look at the romantic yet controversial love locks of Paris. It all started as a simple romantic gesture. Lovers would engrave their names onto a padlock, secure it onto the Pont des Arts, and throw the key into the river Seine, symbolizing unbreakable love. But this loving tribute took a toll on the bridge, leading to its partial collapse in 2014. The city of Paris had to remove the locks, weighing an estimated 45 tons. Love certainly leaves its mark, doesn't it? Number 7 takes us to Montmartre, a haven for artists. This hilltop neighborhood in Paris has been a hotspot of artistic creation for centuries. From the vibrant cabarets to the quaint, winding streets, Montmartre has been the muse for countless artists. Icons like Van Gogh and Picasso once roamed these streets, finding inspiration in every corner. This is where the avant-garde movement was born, where Impressionism took shape, and where Cubism found its footing. Even today, the spirit of creativity still lingers in the air. Halfway through at number 6, we peek inside the secrets of Notre Dame. This iconic cathedral, elegantly poised in the heart of Paris, boasts an intricate blend of French Gothic architecture, a marvel to behold. Its gargoyles, seemingly frozen in time, whisper tales of medieval lore, while the luminous, stained glass windows hide stories in their kaleidoscope of colors. Each detail, a testament to the cathedral's rich history, unravels a new secret. The Notre Dame truly stands as a testament to both faith and imagination. At number 5, we delve into the mysteries of the Louvre Pyramid. This modern architectural marvel, nestled amidst the venerable buildings of the Louvre Museum, has been the subject of numerous theories, legends, and myths. Some believe the pyramid's design, by Chinese-American architect I.M. Pei, is rife with symbolic references. Others suggest the number of glass panes, 672 in total, holds a numerological secret. Yet these theories only add to the allure of the Louvre Pyramid. The truth or myth of these tales remains unknown, but what's certain is the pyramid's undeniable charm, its fusion of old and new, and its status as a cultural icon. A modern enigma in the heart of historic Paris. Number 4 takes us on a stroll down the streets of Paris. The city is famous for its wide boulevards, quaint cobblestone lanes and winding alleys. But have you ever wondered how these streets got their names? The stories behind them are as fascinating as the city itself. For instance, the Rue de la Paix, or Street of Peace, was named after the Treaty of Paris, while the Rue du Chat qui Pêche, or Street of the Fishing Cat, is named after a medieval inn that once stood there. The Rue de l'Abreuvoir, or Trough Street, was named for its horse troughs. These names serve as silent reminders of Paris's past, painting a vivid picture of the city's history and culture. Every street carries a piece of the city's history. At number 3, we step into Paris's secret passages. Nestled within the heart of the city lies a network of covered passages, a treasure trove from the 19th century. These enchanting galleries, once the epicenter of Parisian shopping, offer a unique perspective of the city, far removed from the well-trodden tourist paths. Imagine strolling through these ornate glass-roofed arcades, once filled with the bustle of fashionable Parisians. Today they stand as a testament to a bygone era, their tranquil corridors filled with quaint boutiques, charming bookshops, and cozy tea rooms. Rich with history, they whisper tales of the city's vibrant past, each passage a portal to an era long past. A peek into Paris's past, hidden in plain sight. Number 2 brings us to Paris's hidden green oases. Paris, the city of lights, is not just about grand boulevards and iconic monuments. It's also home to a wealth of lesser-known parks and gardens, perfect hideaways from the city's hustle and bustle. Tucked away from the tourist trails, these verdant retreats offer tranquil spots for reading, picnicking, or simply unwinding. From the secret garden of the Musée de la Chasse et de la Nature to the lush greenery of the Jardin Saint-Gilles-Grand-Veneur, each one is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. These parks and gardens are Paris's quiet sanctuaries, offering a breath of fresh air amidst the city's hustle. And finally, at number 1, we taste the history of Paris. The city's cuisine is a flavorful tapestry woven with centuries-old traditions and international influences. Let's start with the iconic croissant. Despite being synonymous with France, its origins lie in the Ottoman Empire, brought to Paris by Austrian bakers in the 17th century. The humble baguette, another Parisian staple, carries a revolutionary history. Its long shape was designed to be easily broken and shared among the masses during the French Revolution. And who could forget the decadent escargot, a dish of cooked land snails that goes back to Roman times. While it may not be for everyone, it's a testament to the adventurous spirit of French cuisine. The Parisian culinary scene is a living, breathing museum, where every bite tells a story of the city's rich past. So, the next time you indulge in a Parisian dish, remember you're not just eating food, you're feasting on history, a gastronomic journey through time. So there you have it, 10 fascinating secrets of Paris. From the hidden stories of the Eiffel Tower and the mysteries of the catacombs, to the Lovelocks phenomenon and Montmartre's rich artistic legacy. We've unveiled Notre Dame's secrets, the Louvre Pyramid's enigma, the curious history of Parisian streets, and the city's secret passages. We've wandered through hidden parks and gardens and savored cuisine with a story. Explore these gems on your own next time you visit Paris. And remember, every city has secrets waiting to be discovered, so keep exploring and stay curious.